I got my converter back from Hughes. It went back and forth a couple times trying to get it right. I think there's about as much in shipping in this converter as I paid for it. They extended the pads quite a bit to make up for that big gap because I'm not using the original type flex plate. They also extended the pilot out some to compensate for this plate that this motor has here. Not really sure how they connected it. I just hope it doesn't leak. I've already fit the converter onto the engine, and with a little grease in here I can see it's piloting just fine. And the flex plate bolt interference problem is completely eliminated with these spacers. I'll just throw it on here for a little test fit. I can actually see that the pilot is more than deep enough. And there's no rockage at all on this. I'm going to clean up the input shaft and stator shaft splines on that transmission there and put this rig together. Then we'll see what our converter pad to flex plate bolt clearance is. They actually added about 20 thousandths more than I'd asked for. When you're looking at a tolerance like this, that's quite a bit. She might be a bit on the tight side, so I'm going to clean off these pads. The converter shop recommended some of this transmission fluid, this Sure Shift, and I'm going to give it a shot. Here's a look at her fully seated on the trans. Here the engine is installed in the car. You can see I have a gap there with that torque converter to that flex plate. I was able to measure with a feeler gauge through this hole what the clearance was. And it's a little up on the tight side. I really wish they would have followed my instructions to a T. It probably would have been perfect then. But I think it's probably going to be okay. The motor's all landed to the transmission now, and of course the Jeep dipstick for the transmission does not fit. So I'm probably going to knock it off here and go inside, go online, see if I can find some sort of aftermarket dipstick for this. I am looking forward to getting this pile of crap off my floor and getting all this crap out of there. Furthermore, I'm looking forward to this car being able to move on its own power so I can get other stuff in here easily without having to push it out. I'll be sure to keep the videos coming, and hopefully this car will be running pretty soon. Thanks for watching.